ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our 2021 First Fit China Bearing online show. I'm your host, Sunny. This is our senior engineer, Sue. First of all, I would like to introduce our distinguished guest, Engineer Sue. She was appointed as member of the 4, 5, 6, and 7 National Rolling Bearing Standardization Technical Committee. She has 27 years of bearing design experience, familiar with bearing structure, materials, performance, installation, and use, and familiar with bearing parts such as inner, jack ring, rolling body, various materials cage, sealing device performance. She has been working for 12 years in the field bearing after-sales technical service. The main work includes helping users selection, site guidance installation, explain the basic knowledge of bearing and bearing failure analysis and solutions. Hi, Engineer Shu, could you tell us what we are talking about today?
今天主要内容包括：一、原材料标准制定的升级。新的材料标准中，对影响轴承性能的一些成分进行了加严考核。如镍、磷、硫、氧，增加了一些成分的考核指标，如铝、钛、钙、锡、砷、锑、铅。材料标准的细化和严格要求，就能从源头上保证轴承的高品质。第二个部分是加工手段的升级，包括轴承制造设备、加工的关键工艺、热处理技术的提升，这些技术都能促进轴承使用。
Our content today include first one, updating of raw material standard setting, include in the new bearing material standards. Some components that affect the bearing properties have been rigorously examined like nickel, phosphorus, sulfur, oxygen, and some assessment indicators have been added like aluminum, titanium, calcium, tin, arsenic, antimony, lead. Material standard refinement and strict requirements from the original had to ensure the high quality of bearings. Second one, processing means upgrade, including bearing equipment, cold processing key technology, heat treatment technology upgrade. Promote ensuring life and accuracy. First of all, let Engineer Su introduce the current situation of bearing quality in China.
这几年，我国轴承的质量有了长足的进步。首先，在原材料方面，我们国家连续在2000年、2002年和2016年对原材料标准进行了修订。大家可以看一下。每次的标准的在修订的时候，就有了更多的单位和人员参与进来，大家贡献良策，使我们的材料在生产过程中就有法可依。
In recent years, the quality of bearings in China has been made great progress. First of all, in terms of raw materials, our country has continuously revised the raw material standards in 2000, 2002, and 2016. You can see that each standard in the revision of more units and personnel involved. We contribute good strategies so that our materials in the production process there are laws to abide by.
新的材料标准中，对影响轴承性能的一些成分进行了加严考核，如镍、磷、硫、氧。增加了一些成分的考核指标，如铝、钛、钙、锡、砷、锑、铅等。材料标准的细化和严格要求，可以从源头上保证轴承的高品质。
We can see that in the new bearing material standard, some components that affect the bearing performance are strictly examined, such as nickel, phosphorus, sulfur, oxygen, and some components are added such as aluminum, titanium, calcium, tin, arsenic, antimony, lead. Material standard refinement and strict requirements from the original had to ensure the high quality of bearings.
中国滚动轴承用的最多的材料是滚铬15钢啊，这个钢与 与那个 ISO 标准就是国际标准和德国标准的材料100铬6，美国标准的材料 E52100，日本标准的材料 SUG2 的成分是一致的。这个排号的轴承钢已经使用了100多年了，它的性能是很稳定的，加工性能及价值都是非常好的一个钢。国外很多轴承企业都在中国有自己的制造工厂，现在这些工厂生产用的轴承材料，尤其原材料，也都大部分都是在中国钢厂采购的。
The most widely used material for rolling bearings is GCR15. This material is consistent with ISO and German standard material 100 CR6, American standard material E52100, Japanese standard material SUG2 composition. This brand of bearing steel has been used for more than 100 years, and it's steel with very stable performance, very good processing performance and value. Many foreign bearing enterprises have their own manufacturing plants in China, and most of the bearing materials produced in those factories are purchased in Chinese factories. Engineer Su, you just said that bearing material is the first element to ensure the high quality of bearings. Is there any other way to ensure the quality of bearings?
轴承的质量不仅需要好的原材料，也需要好的这个加工手段来保证。这几年，我们国家的装备制造水平有了很大的进步。我们轴承在制造过程中需要的设备是很多的，各个生产工序都需要相应的设备及工装来保证。例如在冷加工的关键工序中，我们现在都有很多是用数控机床等先进设备来保证。热处理过程中，中国有很多企业都从国外引进了先进的热处理生产线。有了这些设备和生产线，就能保证轴承套圈及拱洞体的内在质量符合标准或者高于优于标准要求。
Bearing quality not only needs good raw materials but also needs good processing means to ensure. In recent years, Chinese equipment manufacturing level has also made great progress. There are a lot of equipment in bearing manufacturing process. Each production process needs the corresponding equipment and tooling to ensure. For example, in the key processes of cold processing, we all have CNC machine tools and other advanced equipment to ensure. In the process of heat treatment, many enterprises has introduced advanced production lines from abroad to ensure that the international quality of bearing rings and rolling bodies meets or is better than the standard equipment. With the support of raw materials and equipment in the process of processing, the most important problems of bearings such as life, precision can meet the requirements, so as to ensure that Chinese bearings can be used in basic requirements of the equipment.